Okay, welcome once again to my tech channel. So in this video we are going to talk about the JSCache application in our Android mobile phone, that how we can use our JSCache application in our mobile phone. Before going to start the video, if you have not done subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon in order to receive the notifications for each and new uploads, new content, new videos and notification in the notification bar of your mobile phone screen. And if you have any problem, any question, any confusion in any issue related to any topic, just ask in comment. We will try to make a video about that in order to solve the issue for you as soon as possible, or simply we will try to make a reply, response or answer to your comment in the comment box so that your issue may be solved as soon as possible. So now let's start the video without wasting the time. First of all, you have to go to Play Store or any other app store in your Android mobile phone and search for JSCache in your Play Store and any other app store in your mobile phone. As you can see here, that is showing open option. This means that I already downloaded this application in my mobile phone. That is why it's showing as open option. Once you download the application, go back to your home screen and open JSCache application. Once you open it, they will ask for a security code or PIN code from you. Just click on login and put your PIN, 4-digit PIN, or just use your fingerprint sensor for scanning your finger in order to log in the application. As you can see here that this is my JSCache application. Now from here you can see that there are many options in this application. The first one is money transfer, that how you can transfer money from your JSCache application to JSCache account, bank transfer, CNIC transfer, other wallet transfer, Pioneer and Rast account. The very second one is utility bills, that how you can pay your utility bills like electricity bill, gas bill, water bill, internet bill and telephone. While the third one is mobile load and packages, prepaid load, postpaid bills, mobile packages, etc. The fourth one is banking and finance. Now if we move toward the second one, here you can see that JSCache debit card. If you want to order a debit card for yourself for JSCache banking, you can order it from here. And the second one is mobile packages, as we already explained this. While the third one is Kelo or Jito. So from here you can earn rewards from JSCache application. While the fourth one is Rast. Rast means that you can use your bank account by just using your mobile phone. You can receive, you can send money to your friends, family member or other persons using your mobile phone number just as a bank account number. While the next option is invite and earn. And here is the invite and earn. From this option you can earn online money by just inviting friends in order to install the JSCache application. When they install the JSCache application, they will receive 50 rupees and you will also get 50 rupees from JSCache account in your JSCache account. And the last one is latest update. In the latest update, they are showing that you just have to update your JSCache application in order to receive more and more option in your JSCache application. As you can see here, अपना रास्त ID बनाओ बिना किसी मुश्किल. This means that you just have to activate your Rast account, right, by clicking on latest update. So thank you for watching about video about JSCache application, that what are the options, what are the function in our JSCache account, and how we can use this. So see you in next video by the complete detail of money transfer in JSCache account. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with our channel. Thanks.